In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit password page Wix. If you need to update the password for a protected page on your Wix site, I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where everything lives and how each option works. We'll be working inside the Wix editor, and the goal is simple. Find the page you want to protect, open its settings, and change the password that visitors must enter to view it. Start by opening the Pages panel in the editor. This is the place that lists every page on your site, and it's usually located on the left side of the screen. Clicking Pages gives you a clean overview so you can quickly find the exact page you want to secure. Next, move your cursor over that page in the list. When you hover on the page name, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appear beside it. That icon is your More Actions menu. It's designed to keep the panel uncluttered until you need extra options. Click the 3 dots to open the page's quick actions, then choose Settings. Page Settings is where Wix keeps everything tied to that specific page, including its SEO, layout preferences, and most importantly for this video, who can access it. Inside Settings, select the Access section. This is where you control its page permissions. You'll see the options that determine whether everyone can view the page or whether it's restricted. To limit access to people with a code, choose Password Holders. This setting tells Wix to show a password prompt before anyone can see the page content. Now, edit the password. Enter a strong, memorable password that you can share securely with the people who need it. For best results, you use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Keep in mind that this is a single shared password for that page, so changing it immediately revokes access for anyone who had the old one. If you're updating an existing password, plan to notify your team or clients through a secure channel so they're not locked out unexpectedly. Wix saves these settings for the page, and the new password will take effect the next time your site changes are published. If you manage multiple protected pages, repeat the same process for each one to keep everything consistent. That's it. By clicking Pages, hovering to reveal the More Actions menu, opening Settings, heading to Access, choosing Password Holders, and editing the password, you've successfully controlled who can view your content with a clean, professional lock screen.